Stepped out of bail, I did a diddy bop. I had to tilt my hat at the city cop. I walk away free cause I'm innocent. And when I walk, the whole world know a nigga why. We been at the gas station all night. We been at the gas station all night. They done had the bag waiting all night. Tell them that it's lit, bitch, we on fire. Ay, praise to the most high. Ay, praise to the most high. Send it praise to the most high. Praise to the most high.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Corona time, so putting my mask on, but I was invited here by Shamil and Wong. Wong went to go buy him a drink. Yeah, the weather's a bit warm, so we just went to go buy him a drink, but it's like a race look inspired Honda photo shoot, video shoot, and I'm here with Jaryd. I mean Jaryd. Travis.
Travis. I got my name wrong, eh?
Yo, Travis a light here, bro.
Yeah.
I wanted to ask you, Travis is always driving other people's cars, but he never makes videos of it. But he brought one of it today. I don't know how much cars he have at home, but this is one of it, and yeah, I'll probably throw footage over now. He has a Ford Focus ST, no?
Yeah.
ST.
So like you said, that actually this is a friend of mine's car. Owner is Randall.
Shout out Randall for giving a car to this
amateur.
Nah.
So yeah, so definitely I must say, if I compare to the Ford, handling on these things are amazing. For a car of its age, it's really fun.
And he has some videos I'm gonna pop up now. Randall, I don't know what. You saw now what this guy's doing with your car. And I don't know, that's what he filmed, but I don't know what else he didn't film. You did donuts to the car, did he?
No, unfortunately not.
Okay.
He said he'll stab me with a plastic spoon, so yeah.
My shadow.
How you get your shots? Yeah, from far.
Me? No.
Yeah. What a plant. That came from this car, man. I just keep.
There we go, beauty shot. There we go.
Oh no. No, bro, you got it.
Done, bruh, done. Hey guys, I'm sorry for that, I was busy filming so I couldn't really talk about much, but there's a few cars left. Shamil's car, there's his car, there's his car. He actually organized some yes, this man, shot. You made this thing, no? You organized it. Shamil organized this thing, so shout out to Shamil's page. He takes pictures, so just make sure to check these pictures out of the day. When this picture's gonna be out?
I'll probably upload it in the WhatsApp group.
In the WhatsApp group, okay, it'll be up tonight. But
No, not so soon.
Ivy?
Slum it. I was saying slum it. We shot Wong's video and okay, that video is still. Oh, sorry about that, guys. Battery died and here's Kurt. Kurt is chatting to the security. When we shot his car, he was also talking to the security that time. So I don't know, maybe just security likes him. But he always works his magic with security. But we've been here for, I don't know how long we've been here.
Over an hour now.
Over an hour. And
only comes now.
sorry, but watching, I keep forgot your name.
Michael.
Michael. Yeah. Okay. Michael's car is it's behind us. So I'll throw footage now of his car. Jaryd here. He tells everyone his car is bone stock. Every conversation you have with Jaryd, he always says, nah, my car's bone stock. Guys, I don't even know Jaryd. We shot like 2 videos of his car. Probably that video's probably like together an hour long.
If you haven't checked it out, you guys must check it out.
Yeah, the link is wherever.
In the description box.
He looks like he's editing the video. But Jaryd's also here, part of the race-inspired thing by Shamil. And yeah, the car's still alive, guys. When did we shoot this car? Before lockdown, no?
No, it's like last year.
Last year. And this car is still going, guys.
Yeah, still same setup.
Jaryd's favorite word, say it. What motor's in here?
B20 non-VTEC turbo.
Oh. Okay, you usually say B20 bone stock.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Bone stock, but okay. And the car's still alive, guys.
I need a rim change.
And hint, next year, hint. It's coming, guys.
Ooh, exciting times, eh?
But yeah, Jaryd's gonna take a selfie of his car. I mean, a video of his car, a picture of his car. He needs a new wallpaper. Yo, check out the lights here, bro. Yo! I mean, I came here, I spoke to Tyrone and I spoke about his car, then I didn't notice him. But we basically have the same car.
Yeah, basically. It's just different color.
You have a blue banner, I have a red banner. And yeah, and then white mags and black mags.
Yeah.
So yeah, but he copied me, so what? I just joking, man. But yeah, guys, he's also part of the thing. Because it's from Namibia. Is it from Namibia?
Yeah, that's originally from Namibia. It was scrap, built up. Basically the bumper on it, 17 workmeisters, done up the interior, sound. Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Sharp, man. I like the look of the car, bro.
Thank you.
We don't see so much like, we don't see this cars here.
Yeah.
Oh, Ricky.
Yeah.
Was the Easter 1000 with the Superman?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know him.
Sprayed the car and off.
Hectic.
Good with the kid, copy. Pull up with a stick, stop it. Rich nigga shit, side rich nigga. All hundreds pockets rotted. Got it. I go to space with the stars. Might smoke a blunt with my pilot. Saturn, Moon, Earth, and Mars. NASA take off with the rocket. $500,000 on the necklace. Young rich niggas with successful. Said she wanna feel special. What? And Coco make it feel special.
Okay, guys, I think it's done now. We're gonna head back. Here's Rhonda. I don't know if you met Rhonda before. Sorry about not putting a video about the facelift on, but the facelift is done. I just feel like I just prolonged it too much, and I just can't speak about the facelift anymore because I just feel like I took too long with that, man. But we're on our way now to the garage, and then we get some rollers, and then should be done. It looks like a scene out of Japan, guys. Kanjo nights. We're gonna go kanjo racing now on the Stelliez pass. Yo! Jesus! Yo! He's an organizer of the event, no, but everyone else must pay for themselves.
Man.
And he said he's gonna pay for everybody.
I did not say that.
Look at all the look at all those other things. Yo, this guy.
Nastalgic is driving for now, but we're gonna switch.
Yeah, we're gonna switch on the M5. I'm gonna pull over. Hopefully it comes out nice.
Yeah, just the lighting and stuff.
Yeah, it's dark, so I don't have the best of cameras, but we'll make it work.
So we have we have a B20 Turbo Civic, a B20 Integra.
You have the B20 Turbo Civic?